What's up, YouTube? And very good morning to you all, and welcome back to my channel, guys. As always, Sunday ride. Just meeting a few guys in the Bucky's in Katy, Texas, and just gonna go out for some fun ride, testing out some KTM features that it has to offer, which I have not uh, used since I bought the bike. It's a rally modes, and it has a different traction levels that you can set. So let's have some fun and check out these features and have some fun on the dirt and gravel roads and begin the Sunday. All right, guys, this is the crew. This is AJ. How you doing, AJ? Africa Twin, that's mine. Pritam on his GS. Africa Twin, Ranjit. So we're gonna go and have some fun. I'm gonna put my collarbone and let's hit the road and have some good time with the group. All right, guys, so we're going through the Pattison, all the crew right behind me, and we're gonna take Stephen Austin State Park and Park Road 38 to get on to dirt gravel roads and just continue from there. So let's go get up there, and then I'm gonna change my rally settings up there too. So see you there, guys. All right, so we are now entering a little bit section of the dirt. So I'm gonna set my ABS to off-road. All right, let's see how that goes. Everybody's behind me. Nice. The setting that I did, it's a traction level I set to 6. So there are different traction level that you can start at 9. 9 is basically a full traction you have, and 1 is probably, if I understood correctly, is no traction or zero traction. So I set it to middle. For now it's to 6, just to see what I feel and how things goes. So far I like it. I'm on a rally mode, throttle response off-road, and the ABS is off. So not bad. Okay, here is another gravelly section. I have my traction level set to 6. Okay, so this is another test I want to do. Is I'm going to set the throttle response to rally, and I want to see what I feel when I do that. So I just set to rally. Oh my god, big difference, guys, because it's aggressive. You put your throttle response to rally, ABS off-road, and the traction level I have it set to 6, and it's just this bike wanted to fly. If you are an experienced rider, very professional, keep it on the rally throttle. I'm gonna put it back to off-road because I'm not that professional level yet. Just want to make sure the guys are doing okay behind me. All right, I'm gonna shift the traction level to 7. 6, it's still a little aggressive to me when I going through like this gravel section right here. It's just going, my rear wheel is just going crazy. Now I'm going about 55 miles on this straight stretch. I love it. I absolutely love this traction settings. Let's see if the guys are doing okay. Pritam, he's on his first time. I mean, he has done his off-road, but he's on his first time 1250 GS that he bought about a couple months ago. So I'm sure he's taking it a little easy and getting familiar with the bike, but I see they are coming in, so we're gonna go that direction. So this is a little section of the dirt, and what I'm gonna do is change my traction level to 4 and see what I feel. Traction level 4, below 4 or to 1, you really need that setting on a really loose surface. Otherwise 5 and 6 is sufficient enough if I'm doing just the normal gravel and dirt road. Now if I run into a sandy section or mud, I can just completely lower it down to 1, and that's how I can get through. And beauty about this is you can change all this setting on fly. I think most of the modern bike electronics like that, you can just do it everything on a fly. I'm on a 5th gear, my traction level set to 6, throttle response off-road, and the ABS is off-road. Let's have some fun. Nice. I'm maintaining my speed throughout the corner and leaning the bike the way it should be. I think I'm not going to change my rally setting. I'm very comfortable kind of surface that we are going to today. I'm going to keep it to 6 off-road. When I say off-road, it's throttle off-road and the ABS off-road. I think that's the best combination you can have with especially the road surface like this. One thing I wanted to try, if I can get chance, is just to kind of jump the bike. If I can get a little bit of bump, I wanted to see. I did last week with the other group. I didn't have my camera with me at that time, but it was so much fun. Beautiful weather, guys, beautiful weather. Nice gravelly road. Beautiful. Look at this section. Very nice. Nice little section, guys. Nice little dirt section. I missed the recording, but all the cows and the goats, they just come and ran all over me, and luckily I was on my ABS off-road and I was able to just slide my tire and stop immediately. Ah, nice. I wanted to jump. Nice little gravelly section, guys. Look at this. One thing I learned, you don't have to stand on every off-road sections. I mean, there are a lot of YouTube videos out there that will argue that you should be standing up every time you ride off-road, but I think it depends on the type of surface you run and also the condition of the surface. If it's not too loose or if it's not too crazy, you can basically sit and continue. I mean, you truly don't have to stand up. Stand up will give you really good visibility far ahead, for sure. and there is an advantage of it. But like I said, I'm not an expert on off-road, trying to build all my skills and momentum. Ooh, dirt. These guys have to be careful with this dirt section on the corner. Look, all the dust in the back. That's a lot of loose dirt. Man, these are sandy sections right here because of the rain. It doesn't look scrappy. I missed the recording on one of the sections that we passed earlier because of the rain. It was all sandy. We gotta go back. I don't know where we are. Or we can take this road and it will take us out here. Let me see. No, we go back. And this is the turn we need to make right here. It's little sandy up there. Careful. Crap. This is a crazy section. That was a sand and mud. It was all over. Completely loose sand. Look at here. You cannot come here on the rain. No freaking way. This may look good, but underneath could be bad. The question is, did we make the right choice of the day to come? We'll find out. I always say I like coming in after the rain, but then sometime it's crazy. Okay, these are all not bad now. Nice view, guys. Look at this dirt gravel road here. Yeah, I'm sitting down right now. No reason to stay up. Oop. When it gets loose, it's time to stand up. Okay, a little bit of muddy, sandy section. We just passed by. Okay, we go left here. Okay. I think this is another section that may have a little bit of bad stretches. We'll see. Doesn't look like it. When we passed on the other side right before the bad wheel, that was a sandy, man. There's some patches where crazy. Look at this. Beautiful. Somebody's house here. Nice to stay in a house here. For sure. Something ran inside my eye. May stop sometime. Oof. Nice. These are nice views here. Beautiful. Best thing to do is pick the nice track that you see on the road and just stay on them whenever you see a muddy loose sections, because you just never know. Okay, this is getting a little bit crazy. I thought there was going to be a water crossing, but nope. This is beautiful area, man. The area is so nice to ride here and build the momentum. Especially what I wanted to learn more about my new bike. Ah, look at this. Which way we go? This way? That's just somebody's residence. Okay, here comes his back. Right here. All right, so we just ate right here. Actually, we picked up the lunch and just ate right up here. So now we're just gonna go home, guys, and be home before. Yeah, I'll see you at the gas station and be home before it gets too hot. It's already 90 degrees. So this is Round Top. Alright guys, so as far as the rally mode goes, what I did today is mainly use the rally mode. Throttle response was off-road and ABS was off-road, and the traction level I used at around between 5, 6 and 7, depends on the condition of the surface. So it really helped. I don't think I'm going back with any other mode at this point. Basically continue use rally modes going forward and get more hands-on to it. But we had such an amazing time doing an off-road, especially on my KTM 890 Adventure R, and the guys, Pritam had his brand new 1250 GS as well, that I believe he took it out very first time. So with that being said, nothing much to see anymore for the day. It's about noon, and the temperature is about 90 Fahrenheit. So we're just gonna go home and crash out. But fantastic time, fantastic people, great friends, and amazing route. So see you guys on the next weekend one. If you're first time on my channel, subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you are repeating my channel, I do appreciate you visiting my channel and looking at all the contents that I put it out for you all. So thank you guys and have a good weekend, and see you all in the next one.